Okay, listen. I think we've officially reached the part of the future where robots aren't scary anymore. They're actually adorable. Like, I want one sitting on my desk right now, adorable. Today, I'm showing you 7 of the most lovable, personality-packed AI robots of the future. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're gonna want at least one in your home. So grab your snacks, hit that like button if you've ever wanted a robot pet, and let's meet the lineup. Let's start with Loona, because this little dog bot has more energy than my actual dog after 2 espressos. This thing rolls around your house, sees your face, follows your gestures, and literally knows when you're in a good mood. And the best part? It actually talks back. Powered by ChatGPT and Amazon Lex, Loona cracks jokes, answers questions, and even argues with you about dinner like a sassy little roommate. The latest update added what they call Auto Recharge 2.0, which basically means she remembers different charging routes around your house. Translation: she knows where her bed is, better than your Roomba. Oh, and if your Wi-Fi's acting up, no worries. Loona can now run off a mobile hotspot. This robot just wants to be part of your life, whether you're home, working, or chilling on the couch. It's like having a curious puppy that never chews your shoes. Next up, Reachy Mini. Imagine a robot small enough to fit on your desk, but smart enough to code itself out of boredom. This little guy from Hugging Face and Pollen Robotics is like your curious lab buddy who's way too excited to learn new things. It's fully open source, so you can code it in Python, test stuff in a simulator, and share projects with a global community. Plus, those twitchy antennas. They're not just decoration. They're animated to give Reachy Mini personality. When it tilts its head at you, it's game over. If you've ever wanted to play with robotics without spending thousands, this one's your golden ticket. Reachy Mini isn't just a toy. It's like an adorable coding partner that looks like it's constantly thinking, "Teach me more!" Next at number 3, AI Me, the Quiet Owl Companion. Alright, shifting gears. Not every robot needs to jump around or talk non-stop. Meet Me, the little owl-shaped companion that doesn't shout for your attention. It just exists beside you. It blinks slowly, tilts its head when you walk in, and sometimes whispers a gentle reminder or shows a memory it captured earlier. Me doesn't need to perform. It's there to keep you company. At night, it can project soft lights or stories onto your ceiling, like a calm guardian watching over your space. It's the kind of presence that makes silence feel warm instead of empty. In a world full of loud tech, Me is peace. Now this next one might be my personal favorite. Ortomi Umi. Umi is tiny, like fits in your palm tiny. And it doesn't connect to anything. No Wi-Fi, no mic, no camera. It's completely offline. But here's the twist. It still feels alive. The little face changes expression, and its floppy ears bounce or droop depending on its mood. Pat it, pick it up, or ignore it for too long, and it reacts. It'll look sad if you neglect it. It's like a digital pet crossed with pure emotion. Umi doesn't say a word, yet somehow it gets you. Everyone has a different personality too. Mine? Total drama queen. If I don't say goodnight, it looks like it's about to cry. You can't not love it. At number 5, X-Origin Yonbo, the empathetic family robot. Alright, now imagine if your voice assistant actually cared how you felt. That's Yonbo, and it's honestly wild. This little rolling companion recognizes your emotions, your facial expressions, your tone, even your energy. Say something sad, and it literally tilts its head and offers comforting words. Tell it you're stressed, and it might suggest a breathing exercise. Yonbo can remember things long-term, too. Like your favorite food or what you were worried about last week. It can recognize every family member and switch personalities between them. It's like if your Alexa got therapy and decided to become your friend. The best part? You can interrupt it mid-sentence and it doesn't freak out. It just keeps the conversation natural. Yonbo feels less like a gadget and more like a small emotional roommate that rolls up just to check if you're okay. Now, if you've got kids, or you are a kid at heart, Ozobot Ari is where fun meets learning. This robot doesn't just teach coding, It lives it. It's got a touchscreen face, sensors everywhere, and even uses color codes for programming. 1 second, it's teaching phases of the moon. The next, it's showing you how a butterfly transforms, all while moving around your desk like an excited little teacher. Ari's new Ozobot editor lets kids drag, drop, and code advanced logic. And coming soon, it'll even let you program it with plain English. No coding degree required. Teachers love this thing. 40,000 schools use Ozobot robots, and Ari is like the big-brained upgrade. It's not just a toy. It's a whole mini classroom that talks, teaches, and keeps you hooked. And finally, the OGs, Dash and Dot. These two have been teaching kids to code for years, and they still wipe the floor with most of the fancy newcomers. Unbox Dash, and it's ready to go, no setup headaches. Kids make it sing, dance, respond to voice commands, and navigate mazes all through apps like Wonder and Blockly. It's hands-on, hilarious, and secretly educational. Dash has this Pixar movie charm. It turns coding into playtime. And the best part? It's tough. It can handle carpets, bumps, and clumsy little hands without breaking a sweat. There's a reason over 40,000 schools still use it. Dash and Dot aren't just teaching kids to code. They're teaching them to think creatively. And they're doing it while making everyone in the room smile. So yeah, 7 robots, 7 completely different personalities. And not one of them feels like science fiction anymore. From Loona chasing laser dots to me quietly watching the rain with you, these aren't just machines. They're little sparks of companionship. So tell me, which one would you actually want in your home? The playful dog, the emotional bean, the wise little owl? Drop your pick in the comments. I'm dying to know. And hey, if you enjoyed this peek into our adorable robot future, hit that like button. Share this with your favorite tech nerd, and don't forget to subscribe. Because trust me, this is just the beginning of the robot revolution, and it's a cute one. See you in the next one. Peace.